My name's Tony Paulette, I'm 18 and I work at Champion. I live with my brother, little sister and my mum. I grew up in a few places, Brunswick, Glenroy, Deer Park, Craigieburn and now Broadmeadows. I don't think people don't understand how hard it is. Being shoved around, trying to get through things, trying to work, yeah. It's harder than it looks. As a kid it was alright, but then as I got older, a lot of drugs and violence, and then that happened, I didn't really have anyone to turn to. So it's kind of just all to myself. It's too hard, I was going through a lot at that time. Through the tough times, to be honest, I think I just held my head high. Yeah, I just didn't really let it get me down. Going through that, and it definitely has made me a stronger person. Well, I got a youth worker last year, like, they always wanted me to go for a meeting to join the youth thing. And I put it off for a whole year, and soon, like, legit the first week that I went there, they just got me in with HoMie. They told me we have this interview with them, you should go to it. I'm like, yeah, sweet, it's retail, it's what I want to do.
So the Pathway Alliance is an employment program for young people affected by homelessness or hardship to get into the workforce in a retail environment. It's an 8-month internship, and at the end of that 8 months they get a Cert 3 in retail operations. So on Mondays we all come in together at the HoMie office and talk about all things retail operations, but we also touch on personal development and life skills. So Champion jumped on board this year, so they've been with us for the last 8 months as part of the Pathway Alliance. It's been amazing having such a big, well-known streetwear label to partner up with.
Working with the interns at HoMie, it's great. Made new friends, and like everyone's different, so it's a cool mix-up, like knowing them and everything, and being friends with them. Well, getting to know the interns there was like a bit hard itself too, because like, you know, everyone's new, no one knows no one there. So it does give you that confidence, it builds up your confidence right from the start.
I get the pleasure of seeing Tony every Monday when he comes in to do the Cert 3. He has grown probably mostly in confidence and the way he interacts with people. The first thing we noticed about Tony was how passionate he was about streetwear, and he wanted to be placed at Champion. That was his goal, and that was what he wanted to do.
It takes about an hour and a half to get to work. I usually wake up 2 hours ahead of like my work time. I'll get up, get ready, leave, go to the station. It usually takes me about 30 minutes once I like get the bus, wait for it and everything to get to DFO. And I'm usually there like 30-40 minutes early, talking to the team for a bit and then start my day. I've always wanted to do retail, but I never got given the opportunity, so like, but yeah, then when I got this offer for the Champion, I was like, it's mad. Just had to take it. The team at Champions, they've supported me perfectly. Like, they've shown me all my skills that I need to know for retail. They've helped me in like just all situations. I can go to them whenever I need help with anything at all. They're really supportive, they're really good.
We've loved hearing from his managers and all his workers, how far he's come and what he's completed and what he's contributed to the store.
Well, I just got my contract for a casual position, so I'm pretty happy about that. But I want to work my way up and get to the top of like Champion. It's really actually a dream come true. The whole team is strong, the whole team, like it's just like a whole bunch of friends. Like you go to work and it's just like you're like helping out a mate. Champion and HoMie have given me the greatest opportunity so far for my future, and it's just heading in a good direction right now. Being a HoMie and being a Champion, it's the same thing to me. You're part of a team, you look after your friends and family in that team, and there's just nothing better than that.